Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm working today on a 50 by 55 canvas and I'm looking for something bright and uplifting and something probably a real bit crazy and spring-like. We're actually in the autumn season in Australia, or coming into the autumn season, but I know it's coming up to spring in a lot of other countries, so I wanted to do something bright and uplifting, a little bit, out there. So I'm doing these separate colours that'll all go together beautifully, and hopefully when I finish they're really going to pop. So that blue was the deep blue, and this one that I'm making is a very light pale grey that I just made with the white paint, adding a little bit of black and a little bit of blue. Sort of made a real nice pale grey colour. So I'm thinking that this will be excellent to work with the other bright colours that I'm going to put in between these. So just sit back, relax, enjoy with me, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. As you can see, I've laid my colours down, which really were the metallic gold, the burnt orange, and the darker one is actually it's an actual plum, metallic plum colour. It's a new colour that I had. So I'm going to see how these all blow out together, but in the meantime I'm just blowing, as you see, those colours that I put there, blowing them over my edges so I don't end up with too much paint when I come to blow my colours out. So here we go, let's see how this turns out. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these colours. There's something about, I don't know, colour on a canvas that really gives me a lot of joy. And these are just jumping off the canvas. So much so, look, I have to show you again. I actually really love doing that blowout or chaos blow, whatever your Dutch pour, whatever you like to call them. I just love doing it so much and watching that. See that plum? I think it's called metallic plum. It was by Colour Solutions, a new paint company. So, but look how lovely it blows out. Sort of put it on your canvas and it looks black, but blows out that lovely metallic plum. So just loving these colours. It was just a joy for me to work on. So just picking out a gooby bit that was in there. And then, of course, I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of embellishing to just bring a little bit more of me to the canvas and bring it again to life. But I'm super happy with this, and I really hope you love it too. Just something about it really, I don't know, gives me hope in, I don't know, that's a weird old feeling, isn't it? But yeah, something that actually brings you joy. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks about your art. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way, and try and do it. If you're doing it yourself, do it slowly and relax and enjoy the process, and don't get too stressed out about it, because remember, it's only paint. But super happy with this. So just giving it a whiz over with that heat wand. It kind of bursts any air bubbles, and yeah, sort of it helps even out my paint, I think, on the canvas. And just a few little balloon embellishments that I think really do enhance this piece and lift it that little bit more again. But I can't tell you how super happy I was with this. I just loved it so much. So I really hope you enjoyed it too. And wait on for the end photos, and I'll be back again tomorrow. So don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Or if you're not getting my notifications, unsubscribe and resubscribe, and it puts you back getting the notifications off YouTube, because I think some funny things are happening in YouTube that people saying they're not getting their daily doses of videos. So keep with me, people. I really appreciate you all, and just thank you so much. This piece, I love it, love it, love it so much.